My next website that I am going to talk about is Quizizz. Quizizz is, again, another review website. As you can tell, I use a lot of different uh, websites like this to review for tests and quizzes and different information of in the units and subjects that we're talking about. Quizizz, kind of like Kahoot, allows you to make your own quizzes. And the difference between Quizizz and Kahoot, this is kind of a self-paced type of activity, whereas Kahoot is a whole class activity. And so as you are going through Quizizz, the kids can all have their computers and they can be doing the activities at the same time, but at their own pace. Again, it kind of helps them, especially for math. If some of them are a little bit faster at working math problems than others, um, they don't get pressured into trying to guess the answers of the different questions. They can actually sit and figure them out. So finding a quiz, all you need to do is, again, search the topic that you are studying, and it will bring up several different choices. Again, you can narrow it down based on your level, and it will kind of give you some information. It tells you the grade level that you're looking for, kind of gives you the likes and saves and dislikes if as far as people wanting to play it or enjoying it. The intended audience is obviously the students. Again, I don't there's no real interaction with the parents. It does also give you some reports as far as the different quizzes that you take, can go and kind of show you the accuracy that people get on the questions. And again, you do have the option to email to parents, but we've never used it to correspond with parents, just for the simple fact that we use it more for review than we do for actual assignments, even though you could use it for actual assignments. Kids absolutely love it. Depending upon the kid, some of them love Quizizz better than Kahoot. Some of them like Kahoot better than Quizizz. And that's why we use both of them.